Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can remove all your Instagram search history in Instagram. Okay, so what you need to do first is go to your Instagram app. Then you have to go to your profile option. After that, you have to click on the three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Okay, then what you need to do is click on the settings and privacy option. After that, here you can see here is an option accounts center. Okay, you have to click on accounts center. After that, you have to click on the options right here, your information and permissions. Please leave a like and subscribe my channel if this video helped you. So what you need to do next is click on your information and permission option in the right corner. After that, you can see here is an option search history. You need to click on search history option right here. Then here you can see here is the option clear all searches. So what we need to do is click on clear all searches. Then you need to select the time span of your searches that you want to delete. I'm going to click on all time. You can select pretty much last hour or yesterday. I am going to click all time. After that, you have to click clear all searches. Okay, then the all searches you have searched on Instagram will be cleared. So this is how you can clear all your searches on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel. Peace.